Sell the Trend for Dropshipping Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're in the dropshipping game, you've likely heard about Sell the Trend. But is it worth your time and money? Let's dive straight into it. Sell the Trend is an all-in-one dropshipping tool designed to simplify product research, store management, and market analysis. Its standout feature is the Nexus product research tool, which uses advanced algorithms to identify trending products with high sales potential. For beginners and seasoned sellers alike, this platform provides a clear advantage by reducing guesswork and helping you pick winning products. Another key feature is the Store Explorer, which allows you to spy on successful competitors, analyze their best sellers, and gather insights into what's working in real time. On top of that, Sell the Trend integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other major platforms, making it easy to import products, optimize listings, and launch campaigns directly from the platform. The platform also offers a video ad creator, saving you time and resources by enabling you to create professional-looking ads for your products within minutes. For dropshippers who struggle with targeting, the Audience Builder gives you suggestions for Facebook ad audiences, helping you fine-tune your marketing strategy. Additionally, the Trend Explorer keeps you up to date with real-time market trends, allowing you to adjust your inventory and strategies as consumer behavior shifts. What sets Sell the Trend apart is its all-in-one functionality. Everything from product research to analytics is in one place, making it especially useful for those who want to avoid juggling multiple tools. But it's not perfect. While the interface is user-friendly, some users report that the data for certain products can occasionally feel outdated or less reliable. Additionally, the subscription price might be a drawback for those just starting out, as it can feel steep without immediate results. That said, the 7-day free trial is a solid way to test the platform's capabilities without commitment. So, who is this for? Sell the Trend is perfect for those serious about scaling their dropshipping business or newcomers who want a streamlined way to start. If you're someone who struggles with product selection, analyzing trends, or crafting ad campaigns, this tool can be a game changer. However, if you're already well-versed in these areas and have your own system in place, the value might not justify the cost. Bottom line, Sell the Trend is a powerful dropshipping tool with robust features to simplify and enhance your business. It's not perfect, but it delivers significant value for most users. Try the free trial and see if it fits your needs before committing.